Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're here at the lake. We got the Dominator. Don't have much time before they close. 4054 motor. Gonna run a quick pack on 4S just to see if everything is all right, and we'll get it. All right, last time we were at the spot, we sunk the hydropine. So let's not do anything stupid. Should probably check water cooling, you know? Let's do that. Yep. Alright, grab the heat gun real quick. Alright, let's see what she looks like. There's only a 4S pack with only a 42 millimeter. I wanted to say carburetor, but I meant propeller. No smoke, obviously. Took a peek inside. Battery 123, connectors 126, that's motor 87, ESC 102. We're good. We're good. Let's pop in a 6S pack in her. Alright guys, got a 6S pack in it, 6000 SMC. Alright guys, back again. 6S pack. First time. Yeah, she needs a tune. Nah. Oh, fuck. Dead in the water. Let's go get her. Oh, fuck. Alright guys, we just pulled her out. We had a power cut. I'm gonna open it up real quick. See what the F happened. Tape, tape, tape. Tape, tape, tape. No smoke. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Desoldered those connections right off. I guess it was a shitty solder job by me. Yep. Damn, son. Not enough solder. That sucks. Alright. Alright. Not bad. Not bad. I'm a moron. You can go back and have a solder party. Alright, everybody. We'll let you guys go. It's getting dark. And we're out of here. I'll see everybody back in the garage.